Hello, Sid Hamid with Brick Farm Properties and Construction. Hey, so this is our second day of working at this new project at, where are we at? Rockville, Maryland. Burdette Rd, Rockville, Maryland. Okay, so we got the trash folks coming tomorrow to get this. Had the landscaping company come cut the bushes and clean up the shrubs. And then got the roofer coming next week. Man, I'm tired. Been doing this demo work. All right, so in here we got it cleaned up. Got a lot of debris. We're gonna take the rest of this wall down here and put a 2x10 support beam over there, micro beam. That way when you walk in, you have that window, the door, that window. So it'll be a lot more natural light, like an open platform when you walk in. We already got some of our material here, some of the ceramic tile, shut-off valves, as we need them. You know, plumbing. Some of the pipes are broken and cracked. So all this is pretty much cleaned out now. Okay, so you got bedroom 1 here, and gotta take this wall off. I'm gonna remove this here, and master bedroom's here. Got everything out of here. Okay. Got to clean up a little bit and let this window stay open so it could, the house could breathe. There's just too much smoke in here. The lady was smoking for a while. All right, so you got this bathroom here. We took this out to the demo, down to the stud. And then we're going to rebuild it, put new insulation. Okay, put a new copper, new dividers, shut-off valves, new traps, new floors. And then you got the third bedroom over here. We removed all the panel that was in the wall, the wood paneling. Removed all that, the baseboards, the window trims, and we're gonna remove the rest of the ceiling. Just plaster. And then coming downstairs here, kitchen. So we're going to rearrange the whole kitchen. The gas, we're planning it out. So the kitchen design team is coming out next week, and we're going to look at the space and look at to see what's the best way to reconfigure the kitchen and the islands and the pantry and the storage and all that. But all of this is coming out here, just to give you that open look. And then down here, going into the basement. So we started removing this. So there's a wall right here. So took this wall down and we're taking this down here, and then this is the other side of the basement, which we're taking off the sofas, the chairs. There was a chair, there was a furniture piece here on this wall. So all this is coming out. And then what we're going to do is we're talking about making this into a master bedroom with a bathroom. So you have a door you could come in and out from. You have a bedroom. And we'll put a bathroom over here. So then you can rent this out easily for $600, $700 for a full room with a private bathroom. And then there's another room down here. Back in there's another bedroom. So we're gonna basically take all this out. All this is coming out right here. And then we're gonna push the wall back. We're going to push the wall back to make it wider, and then build a closet in here. And then here will be your, like a little common area, like a sitting area. Common area here. Okay, so then we'll turn this into 5 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. And so we're taking up this bathroom down here. This is like fucking DC. These walls, ooh, look at that. You got the wire mesh and everything in here. hard doing the demo on this. I got the demo done for this bathroom, and so we're gonna rebuild this. Take all these old pipes out. And then here's your utility room. There's a whole bunch of stuff in here with clothes and boxes and all that. So we're cleaning this room out now. The washer and dryer will be there. We'll cut that wall right there, cut all that drywall out, and then we'll service the furnace later. Okay. So just clean it up. All right, and then here, go outside. Got the shed, got a huge backyard, beautiful trees, and we're gonna redo the shed, fix it up, and then here, all the debris and stuff, we're stacking it here. So it's like an assembly line. One guy brings it out, and the other guy walks up to the truck. He's stacking it, and he's pulling it. Somebody got to pull, somebody got to bring it out. All right, so this is the backyard. And so it's got two basement doors, one here and then one over there. Hey, is that other guy coming back? Huh? He's coming back, right? The other guy? I don't think so. Then how's this guy going to get home? I'm going to take him. Oh, you going to take him? All right. So yeah, Brick Farm Properties and Construction. We buy, we fix, we sell. Been doing it for years. You can look at our website. Give us a call. If you need any type of electrical work, plumbing, HVAC, roofing, that's what we do. Hello. These people right here are happy the fact that we bought this house, because the people that were living in this house, they didn't get along with the neighbors. So they're actually excited the fact that this is gonna turn out to be a clean house where a nice family could enjoy it. All right. So yeah, Sid Hamid, Brick Farm Properties and Construction. We'll talk later. If you need any type of work, give us a call. If you're a realtor, you're an investor, you're a homeowner, if you're an insurance company. Now I'll tell you right now, we're not the cheapest. So if you look for cheap labor work, you know, that's not what I do. My guys are expensive, I'm expensive, and we do good work, but we're not the cheapest. I'm gonna tell you that right now. But if you're looking for somebody to get it done and get it done right, then that's where you call us. All right, thank you.